Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at how to create a new Word document in Microsoft Word in under 2 minutes. Let's go! Please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share with your friends. So I have this Word document open and I want to start a new Word document. You go to File, you're on the top left corner and you click on New. You can open up a blank document or you have all these templates at the bottom. If you need to do something for your business or create a card, you have all these options. But if you just want a new blank Word document, you just click there. Now this is not saved, so the document has no name. So you can go and click on Save. And this is where you will name your document and decide where to save it. So I will just call it test document for now, and I would like to save it to my desktop and then click save. Now at the top you will see it's named whatever you named your file. Let me know what you need help with and I will make a video for you. Remember to subscribe. Bye now.